For my implementation part of my project, I organized an event with my youth group to go to Franklin Park in Washington, D.C. There we went to feed the homeless, and although there are many visitors of this park, the majority of them, as you can see, are homeless people. This park is known as a common spot where homeless people are located in D.C. We arrived there around 10 a.m. and we started to set up the table and bring out all the foods and drinks because there have been other groups, including my youth group, who have came here to serve the homeless in the past. Once the homeless people saw us, they knew exactly what we were doing and immediately formed a line waiting for food. We brought about 70 bags of chips, 80 hot dogs, 50 canned foods, 140 cup noodles, 135 water bottles, 3 liters of lemonade, and 96 cans of soda. First, we served them hot dogs. However, we have to cook them first. I was really lucky to have about 20 people and some parents who helped me on this event. So as soon as some of us were cooking up the hot dogs with the gas stove we brought, and others were pulling out lemonade, the rest of us helped out by making the goodie bags for the homeless. We bought a box of plastic bags to pack food for the homeless to go. Each bag consisted of a water bottle or soda, a bag of chips, and a can of food, which we made sure that it had an easy open lid that doesn't need a can opener to open. And when we ran out of canned foods, we packed cup noodles, which actually was the most popular out of all foods that we brought. We passed the bag out to each homeless person in line. After serving all the hot dogs, we served the extra cup noodles left over from the goodie bags. Soon, we ran out of food to serve to the rest of the about 20 people in line, and it was really sad to see the rest not having food when they waited for such a long time in line. Fortunately, one of the guys in my group brought a cake for my youth group leader to celebrate his graduation after we fed the homeless, and my youth group leader sacrificed his cake for the rest of the homeless people who have not yet been served. As a sign of appreciation, one of the homeless guys sang happy birthday to us, not knowing that it was actually a graduation cake, but it was a thought that counts. We cleaned up and left the park at around 11 a.m. And every time I leave from feeding the homeless, I get the best feeling in the world knowing that I was there for those who were hungry, and I bet everyone else in my group and also those who have fed the homeless in the past has felt the same feeling as I felt.